Now, hello you guys, this is DellaGamer76 here, and what we are going to be doing today is I am going to try finish this big gigantic cactus farm. I got a lot of help from my friend, and now it's time to finish. Come on, boom, axe back. No. Yep, tools. So give away this premium pickaxe to people. To the people that subscribe, like, and comment. So I'll leave the descriptions down below in this server so you guys can play with me. And if you guys didn't notice, Luke Phillips does actually play this game. So yeah, that's really good news. And yeah, let's get on with the cactus farm. First, let me kill all these spiders. Actually, I don't really want. I'm gonna put my torch back. Once I put this in my working bench. There you go. Let's keep doing it with every crafting table. Yeah. So I got one every crafting table. And if you guys do want to know how I did this, just shift place down. So yeah, let's go finish steam. So be right back once I get up the place. Okay, I'm back. And my cactus are pretty much growing really fast. And I do not want that to happen. So let's get on with it. What else is supposed to put in here? And that. No. Guys, gonna have to fall. Let's go back up. So let's keep going. So the one I just saw is my last. So this episode is going to be short, but I'll be doing more on me ranking up, trying to get some money. I got like 11.81 billion. This video will not last long, and if it cuts, well, let's redo this. But yeah, it's only if it cuts. If I get a lucky chance. Do the sand. No. I am such a dumb right now. It's supposed to be like this. Yeah. Here we go. And then I'll take out the sand I didn't want. Let's go take out. No. And then I'm gonna pick that cobblestone. Ooh. No. Oli. Let's go break that. And let's go not actually see. No! Ah, rage. Rage. Yeah. Now I'm gonna have to go back. I'll pause this video when I be right back. Okay, now I'm back. Now all I need is fences. And then I just go down here. And I just place them down. Look. Okay. Now let's go back up. I'm gonna end this video. I'm almost done with the video, guys. It's gonna be like for 7 minutes. I predict it's gonna be for 7 minutes. Now let's place it down. That's the problem. Yeah. So I'm searching back right now. That was not easy. So yeah, I'll pause the video once I get finished. So I'm gonna patch up for that video. Hope if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. And as like I said, you guys, if you guys get the most comments, most likes, most subscribers, giveaway for premium and roach stuff, which I haven't mentioned that. And if I haven't mentioned this either. If I get 100 subscribers, I will give away a 5x5 pick, which is like I don't know, like some much dollars. And yeah, I'll patch up with that video. And goodbye, guys.